Cheers. Cheers, chica. Hurry. We're dry over here.
Casually flex.
Casually.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a very special guest. Maryam, if you don't already follow her on Instagram, on YouTube, you best give her a follow because it's about to be a good time here on YouTube.
Hey guys.
We're gonna be doing a really fun video on my channel as well as on her channel.
Yes.
In case you guys are curious,
That's
what
right.
is gonna be happening on her channel. Here's a little sneak peek.
What is this?
Please stop wiggling.
I just got wet. Babe, what did you do?
Look down.
That's scary. Now I know what they mean by beating the face.
Cue some sexy music right here.
I cannot. So, make sure at the end of this video to head on over to Maryam's channel, hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the video. For my video, do you want another drink? Are you that?
Oh, no. I was just hitting the notification bell.
We're a little lit today.
We're just getting started though. So
Just getting started. I mean, it's Saturday.
sure to follow along.
It's Saturday night.
it's actually
Wednesday
definitely
night. So I've actually been traveling now for about a week and a half. I've decided to crash Maryam's house. I've been here.
Yay! She's been the best house guest. I don't want her to leave ever.
I just really wanted to meet Bo,
She
her
did.
cat.
True.
So
What are you gonna do
here
when
we
you
are.
leave Bo? How are you gonna say bye
I'm
to
just
him?
gonna bring him back. I'm gonna put him in my bag. Maryam has her makeup bag
Yes.
packed and ready to go for the weekend.
I'm gonna be doing a
feel
staycation in a hotel, so
She's doing
that's
a
why I'm
staycation.
actually
Yes, she
packing
is
my
a New
makeup
York.
bag.
She's a New York native.
Yeah.
I'm just visiting, but since I've been traveling, I currently have all of my makeup, my travel makeup packed up. So I thought, why not swap bags? It's
I'm
gonna be interesting
totally
because
sneak
I
peeking.
think Maryam is a little more tan than me.
You're just more even. I have a lot more
to
freckles.
burp. I have beer burp. So
Wow, that was. I've never done that on YouTube.
I am, however, gonna have to take a in the middle of this video because alcohol makes me poop.
What is beer? It's a diuretic. That's what you said. Okay, so I've got 3 Zuka bags.
All my makeup is in this guy right here.
This is so exciting. Oh my god.
And we're using our own tools, FYI. Ooh, I'm already excited because you have some stuff in here that I know I don't use.
I have been dying to use this Kogendo foundation.
It's my favorite. I used to use that on brides all the time, and it was literally my go-to bridal foundation when I
It's
freelanced.
so good.
And have not even had the chance to use the new Beauty Blender foundation, so I'm glad that you have this in here.
You know the thing with Beauty Blender foundation, they literally have a ton of shades for medium skin tones, us, and nothing for anybody else. This is my shade in Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion.
We're basically
3W1
sisters.
Dusk. Oh my god, we're the same human.
It's gonna be easy.
I know.
I actually normally don't prime my skin, but
Girl,
because you
your
have a primer,
hair.
I'm gonna start with Pores No More.
And I am going to start with Prep and Matte. This is new from Lancome. I actually have it. I do Instagram style. Squirt, squirt,
Do
squirt.
you?
Drip, drip, drip.
I have a full-size mirror and a handheld because that's how needy I am. This is cool. I seriously haven't used this foundation yet, and I like the concept. I'm scared that it's gonna like squirt out on me.
Oh no, no, girl.
Is it?
Do you know how to use it?
Oh, it's locked.
Yeah, you just squeeze it.
Oh, that wasn't scary.
I
So-
literally have no idea what I did with your primer. Like
This
I got
side?
the cap. Oh, yeah.
You've only had 3 beers.
Okay, so I like this blur stick too, so I'm gonna use a little bit of that. We have so much happening tomorrow.
Yeah, we're gonna be celebrating the launch of Naked Cherry.
Woot woot!
I'm not sad that they got rid of Original Naked, and
I'm
Maryam's really
so
sad
sad.
about
It was my first palette. Wait, you're like really fast. I need to catch up.
Am I? I feel very matte.
Yeah, it's very matte. I love being matte because I'm super oily, so for me it's like
Oh, see.
necessity.
I'm not super oily, I'm not super dry. I'm like just like normal combo skin, you know, oily T-zone. Oh my god, you're gonna love this foundation.
Oh,
Yes,
no.
I'm jealous. Give me back my cooking too.
Girl,
They're definitely
amazing. They
I'm
used to
telling
send me products back when I used to live in my old address.
someone at your old address is getting your coconut
Coconut.
foundation. I feel like I look kind of dry.
But it looks amazing on you.
You think so?
Yeah, I do.
You're a good friend. It's the beer talking. I don't even want it to like end because tomorrow we have to go to the hotel. Well, I have to go to the hotel
It doesn't
tomorrow.
have to end. You can just move in. Bo loves you. You're his new mom.
I'm gonna move to New York. I know, I've abandoned MEEKA. No, I have not abandoned MEEKA.
Oh, you gotta bring her.
Oh, my baby, I miss her so much. Okay, I'm gonna move on to concealer. I've been blending that for
Oh
forever.
my god, you're so fast.
Is someone getting married?
No, it's
It
my
sounds
posting
like-
time.
Are you gonna post right now?
time. Yeah.
Nothing lasts
Forever.
Are Are you really posting right now?
Literally.
She never stops working.
Lee, go like my photo.
Have you had him on your channel yet?
I have. He's been a little shy over the last couple of months though.
Yeah, how long have you guys been together now?
17 years. I know, don't ask.
17?
17, don't ask.
What is that? Is that Bo's hair? Why am I...
I'm sure it's Bo's hair.
So my friend, we were in Paris, and my friend is a makeup artist here in New York. She went out of her way to go to the Sephora in Champs-Élysées, and she's like, the Sephora concealers in Europe are a different formula than in the US, and so good.
Really?
I just like whacked you with it. So good.
Oh my god, yeah, I feel like it is really good.
Meanwhile, I'm over here looking like super dry.
And I'm so dewy.
You're so dewy.
Which is not what I typically go for. I'm always scared of dewy because I feel like I'm just gonna be a grease pan by the end of the day.
Okay, now I'm gonna set.
Oh my god, she is unsetting. I'm still like, Modelo. You're so matte.
I'm a shriveled prune.
And why does that foundation look really, really pale on you? It looks more like my color on me.
Sabotage.
Setting powder.
Yeah, I'm setting with the Marc Jacobs Finish Line. I actually remember using this and I liked it because I felt like it was more hydrating.
Pretty good. So you have the glow and then you have the original. I'm not sure how I feel about the glow just because, you know.
I feel like the more I drink, the more aggressive I do my makeup.
Remember when those were so in style?
What?
The drunk makeup tutorials?
Oh my god, you've like really hit pan on this.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh my god. I'm gonna use
Girl, you're using up my Charlotte. She was like, you got 9 left. Let me take everything you got.
I literally did just do that. Wait, did you not pack a bronzer?
Of course I did. Okay, now I'm super matte, just the way I like
very,
it. Bronzy.
Very bronzy.
It's an angel color.
What do you mean angel color?
Mac Daddy.
Like that's like what he would use?
Yes. We're gonna see him tomorrow for his master class. We're excited about that.
I'm his model.
I'm gonna sit in the front row and I'm gonna make funny faces at you.
I'm gonna you know
And
what?
you're literally gonna try to ignore me and I'm
You
just
know-
gonna be like, eh.
I will say I'm actually a pretty good makeup model. Like I'm very serious. Like I'm very like.
We'll see about that. Comment down below if you want me to sabotage Melissa's modeling career tomorrow.
Oh, this looks good.
Yeah, it's really good. Oh my god, it's so nice on you. This is why a matte foundation is good, because then you can really chisel and you can add a lot of warmth.
My only bronzer I pack is the Laura Mercier one every time.
Oh my god, it's so cool.
I contour and bronze at the same time.
Really? But that's like super cool. I don't do that. Oh my god, guys, check out my
We'll deal with it.
massive bronzing brush.
That's your bronzing brush?
Yeah, it's a mega
How do you
fan.
bronze with that?
I'll show you. Watch this, you guys. Bam! Like literally, this is what you do for giant foreheads and giant cheeks. Plop,
Wow.
plop, and boom.
We were just saying that the IT Cosmetics brushes are
Some
so
of the best.
nice.
They're so good.
I feel like my neck is sweaty, so I'm like having
I am
to
sweating. It's so hot in here.
It's because we're drinking and we're under these lights, so it's
Yeah.
like super hot.
I'm gonna do a little nose action contour.
Whoa. This is very yellow.
Yeah, it's my favorite. I'm a yellow gal.
I've never seen this before. This is my first time seeing this. Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Gold Lava. Oh my god, you would have killed me. I almost dropped it. Wait, what do you use? Is this your blush color then?
Yeah, I only wear peachy type of. Oh, I can't speak. What's wrong with me? Hold on.
I was gonna say take a sip.
Ooh, girl, that smelled.
I'm gonna do Angel's technique actually of misting myself.
Oh, it's my favorite.
Misting before highlighter.
I'm literally.
So I literally do everything on my face, bronzer, blush,
Yeah.
everything, and then I mist myself
Same.
and then highlight. Yeah, I'm so hot that this feels so good.
So amazing. Ooh, I've never tried this.
Ooh, it's so
Anastasia
good.
Beverly Hills and Amrezy.
It's really, really good. I really
No.
like that one. So when I was in Champs-Élysées Sephora, you know the travel size section?
Yeah.
I think I might have been drunk because I just started like buying stuff off the travel size for no reason.
Oh, that's exactly what me and
What
Lee
you
did
do?
in London. We were like, we're drunk from the night before. Let's just buy a lot of furniture.
Yeah, furniture
We went furniture shopping.
in London,
Uh-huh.
and you had it shipped here.
Uh-huh. Don't go drunk furniture shopping, guys.
What's crazy is
Because
that
you can't return that stuff. Did you see our bronze panther?
I'm dying right now
Because we're like, oh, it would be cute. We're cat people.
moving on to brows. Ooh. The new Benefit Brow Contour Pro. You know, I did the commercial for it.
You did.
Have you seen it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I did
yeah.
see it.
So I have a little tip with this product because I like it. I like my brow pencils like really pointy. That's why I like that one because it's already like really, really fine. Do you notice that? Look how good it looks on your brows though.
It does actually. It's not as warm as I thought it was gonna be.
No.
Yeah.
But with pencils like this, I take a napkin and I just kind of like roll it and look at it.
Oh, it's like you're such an influencer. You're so influential.
We drink to that.
Yes.
Ding. You have to look me in the eyes when you.
You're right. I'm the one who always says it. I can't believe I just broke that rule.
What was your other like Russian superstition that you have to like spit on yourself?
Oh yeah. So you can't show anything negative happening on yourself. So you can't be like, oh my God, and then he got decapitated, and then you show the decapitation on yourself.
Then you have to spit
if
on
you
yourself.
do that by accident, then you must spit and you must knock on wood.
Do you ever do your brows and then they look like super intense on like Instagram?
So intense.
Our faces, we were like a meerkats like.
This foundation is not like my personal favorite on you. Truth.
See?
It like ages you
It
a little
aged
bit.
me, yeah. Weird, right?
It's crazy.
If you like a winged liner, I have no liner in there.
What? How am I gonna live?
What kind of eye look are you going for?
I'm not even sure.
You have some creams in here.
They're actually dupes for Stila Magnificent Metals.
Ooh, this
Dupes.
pixie one is so pretty. I might use this one.
They're so good.
I'm about to do like the easiest eye look. Oh, is
Literally.
this camel? This
Yeah,
is the camel palette.
yeah.
This color right here is like speaking to my soul.
Oh, I want to dip into it, but I can't. Shadow palette, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Soft Glam. Not bad. It looks so good. No. I can't. I need to do something more. Nah, girl. You're not going to be upstaging me. All right,
like
we're
the
going to do this dose of colors.
Encore.
Encore.
Okay, Encore is the best eyeshadow ever. When I'm being lazy, I literally take my finger in Encore, smudge it all over my lid, and everyone's like, what is that?
You need to get Kyle on your channel.
He won't do it.
Yeah, we'll start with Lee, and maybe Kyle will get inspired.
When you come to LA, we need to do another collab and just like do Kyle's makeup.
Oh my God, I feel like Kyle will be so pretty.
I finished it.
Oh my God, what is wrong with me?
Oh my, chug, chug, chug. Did you want another one?
I think I'm ready for another one.
Oh, I didn't mean for let's see if he even hears it. I feel like I've been blending the same for like 10 minutes. Like, you know when you're just like drunk and you're just like...
Oh, I definitely used 2 different eyeshadow colors.
Thank you, muscles.
Oh yeah! Saw a little armpit hair in that one. Wait till you guys actually see him on my channel.
on your channel.
Try that again.
I'm only
Where are
missing...
your falsies? Tell me you have falsies.
I don't falsie ever. I just do mascara. Not anymore.
Girl, I have Asian lashes. Why are you doing this to me?
Oh yeah, I didn't pack falsies. Yeah. Whoa,
Wait.
this stuff's like really good as brow gel.
It's the best thing ever, I'm
Whoa.
telling you. Girl, did you just throw garbage on the side? We
Yes,
have
I
a
did.
garbage right here.
As I'm getting hotter, my hair is getting like more and more frizzy. This is the best, you guys. This is the absolute best for frizzy hair. It's called Living Proof Instant Defrizzer.
When we started this video, Melissa was straight up in a bra. She don't care if my man be walking around. She's like, it's me.
In a
Take
bra.
it or leave it.
No, in my YouTube videos, I always film in a sports bra and sweatpants because it gets so hot that I
Yeah.
can't bother putting on like a nice top.
What do you guys think? Should I go for falsies or do you think this is good enough? Comment down below.
You're not gonna know till the video's already uploaded.
I'm not gonna do lashes because Melissa said I'm okay. I'm gonna do like a little lip contour with this Dior palette. I'm gonna...
Do you contour it into your bottom lip?
Oh yeah, hell
That's
yeah.
what I do too.
Oh hell yeah.
I actually feel like this shadow will work as a contour color.
And suddenly I have a lip. Wait, you're so subtle with your lip contour. I'm just like, line. Oh shit, I'm bleeding. Why am I bleeding here? No lip fillers, I swear.
Same.
That's why I like you.
Why?
Cause you're real. The way you walk, the way
Is that what the song says?
Yes.
No, cause you said you're real,
I'm
I'm
real.
real. Should I do Persona?
Oh my god, I love that one. That nude is so bomb.
Sorry, I just burped in your face again.
It's okay. It's making me hungry. You look like a princess.
What should I do though? Dark? I feel like I should go dark. Mamacita.
Mamacita, can I get your number? But here in New York, guys who don't speak Spanish will be like, hey, mamacita, can I get your number?
What?
I swear to God. Should I go for a red?
Is that Don't Stop? I wear that one all the time.
Let's do it. Ooh, I'm suddenly here. Sexy.
I feel so vampy.
You are so hot.
Oh, I love your look. I haven't done a dark
Tequila shot.
No!
Tequila. Should I do big hoops? Or is that too, like,
The bigger the
pirate?
the hell.
Or should I do, like, little like, George Michaels?
Little George Michael.
Little George Michaels, yeah.
These are our final looks using each other's makeup. I think it looks pretty good. Like, I think we have a very, very similar taste in makeup. The only difference was the false lashes. I've given up on false lashes.
And just a preference in foundation texture because of the skin texture and like because of the skin type.
Burp in that direction.
Poop in that direction too.
Alcohol makes you poop. So on Maryam's channel, we are doing Lee's makeup.
And we're gonna be drinking
Drunk.
some more.
We're gonna be drunk doing his
to
makeup.
be taking those tequila shots that I've been talking about throughout this entire video because I am going to convince her.
That is a wrap for today's video. Make sure to head on over to Maryam's channel. Everything's gonna be linked down below in the description box. Give it a subscribe.
Wait, why did I just do that?
Are you trying to piece out on my video already? We're not there yet.
With a 3-pronged piece.
Make sure to piece out. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, you know the drill, make sure to give it a like, share it, subscribe, hit that notification bell.
Comments down below. You know the drill.
And we will see you over on her channel. Love you guys. Bye. Where's Bo?
You don't care about me. You only care about my cat.
I love you.
I love you, girl.
Bye, guys. Mwah!